Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega in Strawberry Latte, the pink one. This is the Hobonichi Weeks mega version, and that means that this planner has more notes pages. The notes pages of this planner I am using as a second Hobonichi Mega, or rather Hobonichi Weeks. So I have my actual, no, not my actual, but my main one here. I have a plan with me video on here of this page, so make sure to check out my previous video. And then this page is going to be something like this. Something like this, and I cannot wait to start. So let's get started. So first, let me go ahead and show you the kit. The kit we are using today is Your Year for Hobonichi Weeks. This is available at my shop. We make these kits specifically for the Hobonichi Weeks. And this is the first page. So you have your date covers, your side strip, your checklist bar. You have a few dots here, so just dots. And then 3 label stickers, and then a bunch of deco. And then you have your left bottom bar, your right bottom bar, script stickers, and then teardrop stickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over here, and what I have been doing to separate what this looks like from the main one is that I put the left bottom bar at the very top. I have been doing that for a while and it has been working out very good. It is a little humid today and it is very cloudy. It had been very cloudy for a couple of days now. It had been raining. It is a rainy holiday. So next I have taken my date cover and I'm going to put it down here. And that is what it looks like. And it's really, really nice. And then I'm going to take this strip sticker. Now for the strip stickers, you can actually use it here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay it next to the script sticker, or rather the date cover. I'm not sure why I said script sticker. Because it has scripts? Maybe. I don't know. Okay. It's not aligning, so the pictures are not aligning. It's not okay for me. I can do this, guys. I can do this, guys. Don't worry. It's a little over that. Okay, we have done it. It's not perfect, but at least I tried. And before I flip over, I'm going to put down my checklist. And the checklist is going to go. Or rather, checklist bar is going to go down here. So this section of my Hobonichi Weeks is actually my shop planner. So everything about the shop goes in here. And I'm going to go ahead and line that in a little bit. But I'm going to put down my bottom bar. And I'm going to put it here. Oh no, maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should put it up here. I keep moving. No, stop. Don't move the planner. I'm so annoyed at myself every time I do that. Because it's centered. And I don't want to recenter it on post. Okay, and that is what it looks like. And it's so pretty. I'm sorry, guys. It's really, really pretty. At least for me, I'm loving how it looks. Okay, now before I put down the script sticker, which I've already reached for, I'm actually going to take my Pigma Micron and my ruler. Where's my ruler? And we're going to line the page. And I'm going to line the last one. Should I? No, no need. And that is my left page. So it kind of really looks like the real deal. So that's what the actual week section looks like. And then the note section that's pretending to be the week section goes here. So it's almost the same, almost. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down, oh no, let's play with these first. So I'm going to take my weekend script sticker. Okay, never mind. And I'm going to put down here the weekend. And then I'm going to take my track sticker and put it down here. Oh, hang on. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a track section. Take a little section there, and just going to put this giant one. Ta-da! I don't know. I just thought, yeah, I know, right? that doesn't do anything. Okay, so I'm gonna put down my goals and then my notes in a bit. So goal is here today and to do. So here I'm gonna line it again. And I line that all the way. Why did I do that? I'm going to write down, or I'm going to put down notes, and then I think we are good. I just have a few things. I have one deco left. Take this away. I'm going to take my label stickers. I'm just going to stick it down here. I'm not going to line it anymore. I think we're good to go with the lines. I don't want to overline my page, although I'd like it to be organized. There's a fine line between organized and overlined. There we go. And then I'm gonna take my, what is this called? Teardrop stickers, and I'm gonna put it here on the 2-day section, similar to what I did in my last Hobonichi weeks plan with me. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to post videos according to in the order that I filmed it. I usually do that. I do, but maybe this time it's not going to be like that. Okay, it's going to be on Friday, and then weekend is blank. I'm going to put down here all the dots in a row. I think it's too much dots, but let's see. Let's try. Let's see what's going on. I'm just gonna put it down here. It's like a checklist of giant to-dos, or to-dos that are connected with each other, like prerequisite to-dos of major to-dos. Because for major to-dos, I like to break it down so it's easier for me to do. Like if I'm going to write a paper, I have to do the outline, etc. So smaller bits. And it is perfect. And these are our empties. Ta-da! Nothing there, nothing there. I'm so happy. This is such a pretty page. I'm so happy with this page. So that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!